Hello everyone, my name is Suresh from Pottistramal College of Engineering Technology. I'm working as a assistant professor in CSE-Data Science department. Today, I'm going to discuss about design patterns. What are design patterns? Design software design patterns are communicating objects and classes that are customized to solve a general design problem in a particular context. Okay, software design patterns are general reusable solutions to common problems that arise during the design and development of software. They represent best practices for solving certain types of problems and provide a way for developers to communicate about effective design pattern solutions. Understanding and applying these patterns can enhance your software and development skills. By learning from real world examples and expert insights, you can develop the expertise to effectively implement this design patterns in your projects. Okay, what are the types of design patterns? There are basically three types of design patterns. First one is creational design pattern, second one is structural design pattern, third one is behavioral design pattern. Coming to creational design patterns. Creational design patterns abstract the instantiation process. They help in making a system independent of how its objects are created, composed, and represented. Coming to the types of creational design patterns, they have first one is singleton pattern, second one is pattern method pattern, third one is abstract pattern, fourth one is builder pattern, fifth one is prototype pattern. Now, creational design patterns offer various techniques for object creation, enhancing system flexibility, scalability, and maintainability. By employing these patterns, developers can achieve more robust and adaptive software architectures. Okay, now coming to the structural design patterns. Structural design patterns are concerned with how classes and objects are composed to form larger structures. Structural classes patterns use inheritance to compose interfaces or implementations. Now, coming to the types of structural design patterns, you have adapter pattern, bridge pattern, composite pattern, decorator pattern, facade pattern, proxy pattern, flyweight pattern. Each and every pattern have pros and cons in it. Now, by employing these patterns, developers can create flexible and reusable object-oriented software that is easier to manufacture and extend. These patterns promote better code organization, reduce code duplication, and enable code modular and cohesive designs, ultimately contributing the more robust and efficient software architectures. Okay. Now, going to behavioral design patterns. Behavioral design patterns are concerned with algorithms and assignment of responsibilities between objects. Oh, behavioral patterns describe not just patterns of objects or classes, but also the patterns of communications between them. These patterns characterize complex control flow that is difficult to flow at runtime and follow it at runtime. Now, what are the types of behavioral design patterns? Coming to that, observer pattern, pattern, state pattern, command pattern, chain of responsibility, template pattern, interpreter pattern, visitor pattern, mediator pattern, memento pattern. Each and every pattern have a chain of responsibility including that. Coming to behavioral design patterns improve the communication between objects and making the design more flexible and the interactions more manageable. They encapsulate complex behaviors, promoting code reuse and making systems easier to maintain and extend. Okay, thank you everyone. You will discuss briefly about these patterns in the next class. Thank you.